Hello friends, in this video let us find out how to create average formula through macro. So the first step will be to save the file type, right? So just to avoid confusion, I'm going to delete the earlier file. Okay, so now I will save this file type as macro enabled workbook. So here you see beneath the file name, save as file type, select macro enabled workbook, file 6, create average formula through macro English. Alright, so this file has been saved. Now let me insert a rectangle. And I will click on shape fill to change the color of this box. Here I need this color. Alright, I will type calculate total as that. I'll align it in the center, change the font type to Arial black, increase the font size to 44. Okay, alright, now I will go to developer tab, click on record macro, and I'll assign the file name average formula through macro. No, average formula macro English. Average formula macro English. Click on OK. Now I will type the formula. Average is equals to average. Select the cells, close bracket, hit enter. Alright, now I will click on stop recording, and don't forget to do that, because if you forget to do that, and then your macro will not function properly. So now let us find out if the macro is properly functioning or not, and if it is helping us with the desired results or not. Okay, I'll go to this box, right click, and here you can see assign macro option. I'll click on that and go to the file type where I want the macros to be run. Here it will be create average formula through macro English, and I'll select this macro, click on OK. Alright, place the cursor here. See, it gave us result. Now save this. Now what I will do, I will delete this again, save this and open the file once again to see if it's properly functioning or not. It says macros have been disabled, enable the content. Click on the box. Alright, so it did work. So kids would find this very interesting and very helpful. And those who hate mathematics, if you teach mathematics with the help of Microsoft Excel, they will definitely find it very helpful and very useful and very entertaining. See, one of the reasons why people do not understand any subject properly is because they not have understood the concept, and they find it very, and therefore they also find it pretty boring and not useful, and they give up on the subject. Now mathematics is definitely a field which is, one of the basics which is going to be useful in, many field, right? So the best way to learn mathematics according to me is through Excel. You know, you and that's what I feel. All right, and for those job seekers, if you are applying for the job of an MIS executive or MIS analyst, right, or data analyst, if you create videos like the way I'm doing, it will definitely help you in a job interview. You may, say this to your recruiter that I've created videos on Excel and Power BI and my YouTube channel, and you can watch this. Then the employer may think that, okay, this person is really interested, at least doing his practice, even though he or she may not be an expert, he's at least doing his practice, creating videos, help sharing his or her knowledge with people. So the employer may consider that, the recruiter may consider that it will be like a brownie point that will help you distinguish amongst other job seekers, and it'll be an added advantage for you. All right, so that's it uh, for today's video and this one. I hope you have liked this. If you have loved this, then I would appreciate you sharing your comments and suggestions, and please share this with your friends. And in case if you didn't like it, then obviously you have the option of skipping the video and ignoring it. All right, so thank you for watching the video. Have a beautiful day.